Hello guys, we're gonna talk about, I'm not gonna use my webcam right now. I'm using my notebook's cam basically from the Huawei notebook. So we're gonna talk about kin cryptocurrency, and we're gonna talk about Code Wallet. And the Android version is being worked on very fast by Brandon. He's an awesome programmer. Send him a tip if you have Code Wallet on iOS, send him a tip. And if you need the link, I can put the link in the description where you can send him a tip. Just if you want to send him a tip, just put in the comments that you want to tip him, and I'll then manage the link there. So the Android wallet is going to come out, I think my guess is before end of March. And the thing is, I saw Brandon work on some of the things like notifications on Android. He was working on the login SDK, where you will be able to log into websites without actually paying using the Code Wallet, which is an absolute amazing feature. So imagine like you have the regular, login with Google, login with Apple ID, and all of this stuff. You're gonna have login with Code Wallet, and that fixes so many things, even like spam issues and all of these kind of things, because there's so many scams and bots and all over the internet now, and these terrible captchas, extremely difficult captchas. They're getting more and more complicated, and Code Wallet completely fixes that. So the login that you will see through Code Wallet will also fix a lot of these bot problems, and I'm going to use those also on my website. So it's absolutely fantastic. Then you're going to have on ramp, so you will be able to buy kin from within the app. Now comes something interesting, because this is my true belief that once on ramp and Android are out in the open market, iOS already is, then, and you have on ramp in both versions, iOS and Android, then the price of kin will explode. That's my feeling. There's no guarantee for it. I could be wrong, but that's my feeling. And I noticed that more and more people are becoming interested in kin. So I think the likelihood um, that it will explode is tremendous. And we're going to talk about also, not right now, but in another video, we're going to talk about, can kin become the next Bitcoin, right? So we're going to talk about that. Can kin become the next Bitcoin? We're going to look at all the different things that are coming there together. Now, the good thing about Code Wallet is it's so simple to use. Everybody I've shown it to is they unwrap, they use the wallet within a minute. Like, you download it, you use it immediately, you send some money, you receive some money. It goes super quick. It's international. The only thing that is the U.S. sanctioned countries are not uh, able to register with those phone numbers. I'm not sure if it's possible to register anyway with maybe different phone numbers. Possibly, but in the end, if kin becomes and Coke Wallet becomes really popular, I could see people making forks of the code, especially for their countries. So there could be, and so country, server and client that runs. They could, of course, pick a different token. It wouldn't have to be kin, but the likelihood that people start choosing kin over others is very high if it becomes a de facto standard like Bitcoin is. And there comes, of course, the network effect into it. And then what's going to be interesting are point of sale services going to pop up, which offer buying stuff with kin. All of this stuff, we're going to talk about that. And I'm waiting for the mobile live streaming to be activated, and then we'll talk about whether it can become the next Bitcoin. Of course, there's some hurdles, and we're gonna chop up and expose all the hurdles that are that need to be overcome for kin to become the next Bitcoin. And but we'll definitely do that. And this is the first live stream here, but soon we'll do live stream over mobile, and then it's going to be even more interesting because people start to come in. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and tell your friends about it. Download Code Wallet if you have iOS already. I'm going to let you know when Android is out.